let's get the product of these two binomial squares. 3x plus 2y quantity squared times 2x minus y quantity squared. Now, since both expressions have the same exponent, we could apply the third law of exponent here. So I'll write here AB quantity squared is equal to A squared times B squared. So we call this the power of a product rule. Now, if I assume 3x plus 2y as A and 2x minus y as B, we now have here A squared times B squared, right there. And that is equal to this power expression, AB quantity raised to the second power. So let us substitute. That's A 3x plus 2y times B 2x minus y. Then we'll raise it to the second power, right there. Now, let's multiply 3x times 2x minus y using the distributive property of multiplication. So that's 3x times 2x minus y plus 2y times 2x minus y. Quantity squared. So let's multiply by distribution. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times minus y is minus 3xy. That's 2y times 2x is plus 4xy. Two y times minus y is minus 2y squared. Quantity squared. So that's 6x squared minus 3xy plus 4xy is plus xy minus 2y squared quantity raised to the second power. So the product of these two binomial squares has been transformed into a square of a trinomial. Now we're going to solve this using the general formula for the square of a trinomial. Now, if you will recall, A plus B plus C quantity squared is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC, where A is 6x squared. So we'll substitute A equals 6x squared, B equals xy, and C equals minus 2y squared. So let us substitute. So it's the square of the first term. So that's 6x squared, quantity squared, plus the square of the second term. That's xy, quantity squared, plus the square of the third term, minus 2y squared, quantity squared, plus 2ab, 2 times 6x squared times xy, plus 2ac, 2 times 6x squared times minus 2y squared, plus 2bc. So 2 times xy times minus 2y squared. So that's square of 6x squared is 36 x to the fourth. Square of xy is plus x squared y squared. Square of minus 2y squared is plus 4y to the fourth. That's 2 times 6 is 12. So that's plus 12 times x squared times xy is x cubed y. So that's plus 12 x cubed y. That's 2 times 6 is 12 times minus 2 is minus 24 x squared y squared. So minus 24 x squared y squared. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Xy times y squared is xy cubed. So that's minus 4 xy cubed. Now let us rearrange the terms according to the order of the polynomial structure. So we'll start with the x to the fourth term. So right here, 336 x to the fourth. Now next would be the x cubed term, this one, plus 12 x cubed y. Next would be the x squared term. That's x squared y squared minus 24 x squared y squared is minus 23 x squared y squared. Minus 23 x squared y squared. Next is the x term, this one, minus 4 x y cubed. And lastly, this one, plus 4 y to the fourth. So that's x to the fourth, x cubed, x squared, x, y squared, y cubed, y to the fourth. So this is the product, and that's the answer.